Normally, I'm an expert in climbing things. If you ask around my street, you will know. But right now, I'm a bit rusty today, so I'll not climb so much things. But no tell me say you know they see wetin dey happen here.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid.
Dori may not be for civil servant, but this one I want to bring on like this. Now civil servant not supposed to listen to this one because this one will help you multiply your finance. What am I saying? Instead of investing your money in sporty bets that you will never win, why not carry that money? Come to our enviable office in Asaba. This one what they in Asaba branch. Oh, Shebi, it's not say good things there, Asaba, abi. Carry that money and come to our office and say, please, I want to buy keke from you guys, and I want you guys to help me manage the keke. See what we'll do for you. After you start with 2, 3, 4, 5 keke, you go buy them. We go help you to drive them. We go give you money. We are working for you. And that's what if you do the same. In case you are a driver and you want those call like you come on our office, come carry keke, hire purchase. Just they drive, they remit money. We get keke for you if you be driver. We can also sell to you. If you want to use the keke for empowerment to your community or whatever, you want to give your mom to learn how to start driving because women are now staying at home and demanding too much money. Carry keke, give that your wife, make she dey out, make she can't go enter road. So you can buy keke from us and take it to the street. Come and see this young lady. This young lady, Pablo broke her heart. What did she do? She came to me, she said, Mama, I need keke, and I hooked her up. Right now, her heart is almost broken. I mean, money they break your heart. Money no fit break your heart now. What are you saying? See how she's fresh. Make I know yes say better thing no dey Asaba o. Because now Asaba nowadays like this they shoot this video. See, we've been in business for the past 8 years and counting, and our reputation thick. Not even for once that somebody come to say they not deliver. No, because we dey deliver past Hebrew women. We will stay like this. Sometimes gone, we dey act for bed. Don't try us. We not only they sell keke to you, we dey sell the parts to you, original and trusted. And we get servicing center for the keke So when you drive it and you drive it crazy, you can bring it to us. Let's fix it for you because that's what we are doing. I fix people. And as you can see, some people are here for some quick touch. You know, I don't know if I should be touching them or touching their keke.
Don't play.
But if I touch your keke, I no go move again.
Come on now.
After Asaba, so we still dey Aba, we dey Umahia, we dey Abakaliki, we dey Port Harcourt, and we dey Enugu. So wetin dey stop you from enjoying this our package? Make you no be saying that from Phoenix they do you this thing. Do you want to be small? No, now. Like me now, I have settled myself in Asaba with one boy. So when I finish, I feel that I want keke.
You don't know why it's going on.
All over and all over the church, I am so a fan of my dressing na the vandalization. My dressing vandalized.